Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're taking a quick look at the jobs and services you can do with this C-9 drywall license. Now, we put a lot of time into making this information as helpful as possible. If you could like and subscribe to the channel, it would help us out immensely. Now, the C-9 drywall license is for drywall contractors in California specializing in a variety of different residential, commercial, and industrial drywall services. Now, we've got this definition, it's straight from the CSLB. I've got it linked below, and I strongly suggest that you check it out. Now, the majority of the contractors that hold this license are performing your drywall installation, finish. This could be drywall patch repair, repairing water damage, ceiling popcorn removal, hanging and taping, ceiling construction, sheetrock repair, shadow and custom mold. There's a lot of different services that really fall under the C-9 license, and these are a handful of the most common ones. In addition, you can expect interior sheathing and dense glass, fire-rated gypsum board, steel stud framing, cement board and partition walls, acoustic tile ceilings, and various types of other services. Now, another big area of expertise is your skip towel textures, sherboard, knockdown textures, custom textures, false ceilings. These types of projects mostly are within a residential and commercial setting, but again, with the C-9 license, it's anything and everything related to drywall. Now, in California, contractors can hold multiple license classifications. The most common additional licenses that the C-9 contractors hold are the C-33 painting and decorating, the C-35 lathing and plastering, the C-2 insulation and acoustical, and the B general building license. Now, in order to get an additional license classification, you've got to have the experience that coincides with that particular classification. We've got a ton of information about how to get multiple contractor licenses in the links below this video. Now, to get the C-9 license, you've got to pass the law and business exam. So this is an exam that covers everything from workers' compensation, advertising, Cal OSHA. You'll need to know about taxes, financial reporting, different types of business structures, the various types of contracts, state laws, statutes, finances, bidding, and cost control. We cover everything. It's the most up-to-date information that you'll find. You'll want to check that out in the links below this video. Now, you want to be prepared for your C-9 trade exam as well. So planning and estimating project costs, material selection, installing metal frame systems, backing, trim, various ceiling assemblies, fire-rated wallboard assemblies, repairing damaged drywall systems, finishing coating services. Everything you need to know, it's all up to date, it's all clear, and you'll find it in our course in the links below. Now, you can expect about 230 questions, multiple choice. This will be a closed book exam that you'll get 3 hours to complete. So that's 3 hours for the law and then another 3 hours for the trade. It'll be taken via computer at a proctored testing facility that you'll choose based on your zip code. Now, you'll also want to make sure that your math is tight. So your arithmetic, your units of measurement, make sure you're good with calculating square footage at your quick with percentages and decimals. Everything you need to know we present in a very clear and easy to understand format with tons of examples and diagrams. It's essentially a full summary of everything you need to know to pass this exam. This would include physical study guides or ebooks. You'd get online videos with audio reviews, tons of online practice exams, a complete math course. We'll make sure your application is reviewed so that it doesn't get sent back for any mistakes, and then full customer support throughout the entire licensing process. Now, we've got a bunch of information about the requirements, the fees, and links to applications below. I hope you found this information helpful. Feel free to drop us a comment if you have any questions. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.